Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make tires of different varieties. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel. So first we will go to add and take a torus. After that I'll just move it little up so I can show you two different tires. Now we will use bevel tool to shape it into the tire form. Now you can see I have pressed and holded that yellow spot so it is changing. Now I'll just move it into x-axis and see how is it looking. It is looking perfect. So I'll go to object mode and I'll see how is it looking. So it is looking good. So now I'll add another torus to show different second variety of tire. And again I use the bevel tool. So I'll press and hold the yellow spot and shape it into this. You can see some V formation on the grip. Yes, now let's go in object mode. I'll view it again. How is it? You can notice that this tire looks good for motorcycles and etc. And the upper tire looks better in that plains fields. So this time I'll take a cylinder to show you the last formation or variety. So first I'll just shape it a little and make it thin. After that I'll go to edit mode and use bevel tool. After that I will do the same process which I did it in the last two, but this time I'll move it down. So you can see these three formations look awesome when we put it into a vehicle. So the last one can be used in a truck or something like robotic things in 3D. So I'll show you. First I'll just change its axis. After that you can see how best these three tires look. So we will take a view from camera. See, you can see the robotic tire. How is it looking? Thank you and have a nice day.